Hi guys, Ms. Schwartz here, and I am ready to do day 2, advanced reading deck and initial reading deck for kit 1. So I'm going to share my screen. I have some new technology that I think will help you see the letters better. So again, I will give you a few seconds to name the letter before I do, and a reminder on YouTube, you can slow up or slow down or speed up the video, whichever will help you. I'm going to maneuver. Name the letter. T. N. A. D. H. I. Capital I. P. S. L. F. Next, initial spelling deck. This is keyword and sound. Leaf, ul. Igloo, I. Dog, D. Fish, nest, N. Table, T. Sock, S. Nose, Z. Apple, A. Pig, P. House, H. Good job. And get ready for your initial spelling deck. So you will need a dry erase board or blank paper and your materials. See you soon.